Welcome to our delightful cooking tutorial. Today, we're diving into the world of easy baking with a cake that's not only delicious but incredibly simple to make. With just 2 eggs, you can create a scrumptious treat perfect for any occasion. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, this recipe will show you how minimal ingredients can lead to maximum flavor. So grab your apron and get ready to impress yourself and others with this delightful creation. Let's get started on this culinary adventure by gathering our ingredients and embarking on a tasty journey. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. 2 eggs, flour, sugar, butter, and vanilla extract. Simple, right? With these basics, we'll create a delicious cake that's easy to make and perfect for any occasion. The beauty of this recipe is its simplicity. Now that we have everything we need, let's move on to the fun part, baking. Get ready to whip up something delightful. Now that we've gathered our ingredients, let's dive into the baking process. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure our cake bakes evenly. While the oven heats up, take a mixing bowl and crack open those 2 eggs. Beat them thoroughly until they're light and fluffy, key to achieving that perfect cake texture. Next, gradually add in your sugar, mixing continuously until smooth and creamy. This step is crucial for that sweet taste we all love. Then, introduce the melted butter, pouring it in slowly to ensure it integrates well with the egg mixture. With your wet ingredients combined, sift in the flour. Sifting helps avoid lumps and ensures a smooth batter. Mix everything gently, just until you have a consistent mixture. Remember, overmixing can make the cake dense, so keep it light and airy. Add a splash of vanilla extract for an extra layer of flavor. Stir it in and get ready for the next exciting step, transferring our batter into a greased cake pan. Use a spatula to spread the batter evenly. Once your oven is ready, place the pan on the middle rack and let it bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know it's done when the top is golden brown and a toothpick inserted comes out clean. While we wait for our cake to bake, imagine the delightful aroma filling your kitchen. It's truly rewarding to see these simple ingredients transform into something so delicious. Up next, we'll reveal our perfectly baked cake and share some serving tips to impress your friends and family. Stay tuned. And there you have it, the perfect cake made with just 2 eggs. Look at that golden crust and imagine the soft, fluffy texture inside. It's proof that simplicity can be delicious. We hope you feel inspired to try this recipe yourself. It's a fantastic way to impress friends and family without needing a long list of ingredients. When you do give it a go, we'd love to hear how it turns out for you. Leave a comment below, sharing your baking experience and any creative twists you might have added. If you enjoyed this easy and tasty recipe, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We have plenty more simple yet delicious recipes lined up just for you. Join our community of young bakers and cooking enthusiasts here on YouTube for more culinary adventures. Thanks for watching, and happy baking!